Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to export Claude AI conversations. All right, let's begin. First, make sure you are signed in to your Claude AI account. Then, click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner and go to Settings. Inside the Settings menu, navigate to the Privacy section, where you will find the Export Data option. Once you click on Export Data, Claude AI will prepare a downloadable archive of your conversations and send a download link directly to your email address. Before exporting, you can choose the time range for the conversations you want to include. After selecting your preferred range, click on Export to start the process. Then open the email connected to your Claude AI account and look for the message from Anthropic. Inside the email, click on the Download Data button to download the export file. The downloaded file will usually be in zip format. After extracting it, you'll find your conversations stored as JSON files. So that's basically how you can export Claude AI conversations. That's it for this video. Thanks.